to get back, nothing back. That's right, more work and less free time. Telling me to do another paper, telling me to stay later, telling me like everything changed. But it's all
What is going on, guys? I hope y'all are having a great day. Today we're gonna go on our first drive with the new turbo from Turbo Lab of America. This thing is absolutely screaming. I haven't drove it personally yet. This is gonna be my first drive with this new turbo. So I'll be talking to you guys throughout the drive. This is gonna be mainly just a driving video. I've got a GoPro I'm gonna be mounting up on the side of the truck, and also we're gonna have a GoPro on my helmet so you guys will be able to hear from inside the cab the noise of the turbo and from the outside towards the back of the truck as well. So this should be a pretty good video. This should give me and you guys a good understanding of how this turbo is gonna not only sound like, but feel like on this truck. Again, this truck is being built, if you're new to the channel, this truck was bought and being built. It's a first gen, it's a 1993 first gen Cummins. We got so much coming for it still. Paint and body is gonna look so much better here soon. The hood is looking great and we haven't even buffed it yet. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. This is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you subscribe, because we not only build the first gen, we also always are going to mud parks with the ATVs, and we got the second gen right here building on the channel. The second gen is how the channel got started. The CANAMs came along and now we got the first gen. But like I was saying before I got sidetracked, this first gen was bought to tow the ATVs around to different ATV parks across the country. We got the new trailer. You guys saw we got the 22-foot trailer now, and every day it's getting closer and closer to our goal of being able to tow the ATVs. So for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the turbo. Here is the new turbo. It's a whole set HX35 body, but nothing stock about it. It's a 62.45 compressor by 86 by 90, 7+7 billet. We got a T3 steed speed manifold. This is gonna be the first drive with this setup. Turbo Lab of America absolutely killed it. Can't wait to drive it. So now that you guys see the setup, I'm gonna stop talking, get my camera set up, and we're gonna go on a drive. Off to the side here, let this person pass. Next upgrades we have coming to it are head studs and injectors, so be looking out for those videos. We got those coming. Got head studs and injectors coming for this truck. It really needs it. Also got to finish off that throttle position sensor potentiometer that I got for it. I got a new potentiometer for the throttle position sensor. I still got to install that to adjust our shift point into overdrive. So that's still on the list, but this is still going to give us a pretty good idea how the turbo sounds and feels. It feels freaking great, spooling like a dream, and it sounds amazing as well. Those new coils and new shocks still got to wear in. This thing's still riding like a wagon, even though it's got new Bilstein shocks and new coils, Moog coils. Got some great high quality coils on this thing. the 7226S's, that levels out the front. I definitely recommend them if you guys have a first gen. Definitely crazy. We still got to get our alignment done. You guys know we did the Borgeson steering shaft on this thing, so we do have to still get our alignment done, but we are about to turn around real quick. Hopefully we don't get shot. One of these rednecks freaking turning around in one of these rednecks' houses. We're gonna pick this one. Guys, so we turned around, we're gonna head back to the house. I think she sounds awesome. Sounds so much better than before, so much more responsive. This truck is definitely coming together. I'm so glad you guys can be along for the ride. It's so much fun to be able to share these videos with you guys and bring you along for the build. It's a ton of fun. Leave a like right now below if you are enjoying this build. It's been so much fun since the very beginning. We've come so far. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. This is a perfect time to subscribe. We're getting into all the engine modifications, and it's gonna be a ton of fun. So some things I've learned since taking on this project, because I've worked on trucks, for years now. There's a lot more into it than just buying a project truck and just putting parts into it. So some important things that I've learned since buying this is pretty much what I'm trying to get out to you guys, is a very important step and something you want to do and something that helps a lot is to drive the truck, not only to enjoy it because you bought it and you work on it all the time, but drive the truck and actually pay attention to it, how it drives, and plan your next steps, because test driving a project truck can actually teach you a lot, and it taught me a lot tonight. I learned what steps I probably need to take next, like one, the throttle position sensor. We saw the transmission really wasn't shifting smoothly into overdrive. Throttle position sensor, I got to get that potentiometer installed on the truck. I have a great potentiometer right here. It's actually from DNR Customs. It's a potentiometer, and what this is going to be able to do is allow me to change my shift point into overdrive. And I've been needing to install that for quite some time now, but I've been putting it off with bigger upgrades like the turbo and things like that. And I knew it was very important. Don't get me wrong, I knew that was a very important step, but it's something that, isn't the most glorious install in the world. So I've been kind of putting it off a little bit, putting my time into other things. But main point I'm trying to get out is test drive your projects, learn what steps you need to take next. And there's a lot more information, a lot more things you can have than just fun by test driving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below if you did enjoy it. It really helps a lot. If you are new, subscribe. We got so much more coming to the truck, not only the first gen, but the second gen, and tons of Can-Am content here on the channel. So I appreciate you guys staying all the way to the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Comment down below how you guys think it sounds, and we'll see you in the next one.
Cause I do not wanna go hit the ground. I've been out here trying to hold it down, but I just been losing my faith now. I just been counting my days down, owning up to my mistakes now. Ain't much I can say now, ain't much I can say now. I just you dirt, yeah.